Fully cooked!
What are you getting now?
We're getting ravioli.
A crepe. No, it's lava. I didn't say that.
כמה דקות? מה עכשיו רוצה? ליטר קפה, כדור אחד, כוסו בגביע. ננסה לתזמן את זה. ננסה לתזמן כזה ביניהם. 13.
And it cooks really fast.
Yeah, it does.
I'm the best.
Yeah. And my mom, which is right there, is the best cooker too. One for you too, Mommy.
Who's gonna get it? Rafael wanted sprinkles.
I want sprinkles too.
You do. What do you think about that? Good. You like that treat? Thank you so much for watching. Check out our other videos and our other channels where we daily vlog every single day on Fully Living. Leave us a comment to let us know you were here. Have a great day.